everybody. Just went on a walk today and I decided to stop by this old building that was built in the 1880s to see if I could find any more surface finds because it has rained lately. So let's see what we can find. Okay, we have a nut, an N-U-T-T, nut. Nails. Something round. Okay, here's something off horse tack. So we've got a lot of nails here. Fence staple. Nail. That's a plant. Some more. Hey, there's a whole rivet. The horse tack thing. A round thing. Looks like part of a hook. Something metal. Can't tell what that is. Some more pieces of belt. Wire. More belt. Some pieces of that wooden ladder on the side of the building. What's that? That looks like it's been melted in the fire. A fire, not any particular fire. Belt. Well, that's a plant. I thought it looked like a nail. That is a really skinny old nail. Interesting. Another nail. Some metal. Old glass. Another fence staple. Here's some belt with one of those green rivets in it. Haha. Here's something interesting. This looks like it could be some sort of tool, horse tool. I don't know. Look at this old glass. I want the bottle to that. Fence staples galore. Oh, that's a whole bullet. 22. Nails. There's lots of nails here. Because the old shop building next to this old building right here used to sit, and this ranch had lots of horses back at the turn of the century. I'm not sure what that is. That looks newer. Cool. Don't know what that is. Wow. Look at that. Interesting. Old nail or something. Wow. Could be a knife. Another round thing. Oh, that's one of those, what are those called? Carbiners? Looks like a springy round thing. Partially round thing. falling off of that. Oh, I wonder what this is. Interesting. So skinny. Well, it's supposed to rain, possibly, or snow next few days. So we'll see if we can find more stuff again before I start digging this place up. Here's an interesting buckle. What's this? Chain thing. Interesting stuff. Here's some of our previous finds. Or my previous finds. I'm here by myself. Previous finds. All right. Interesting item. Whatever it is. It's like there's a hole through the middle. Interesting. It's like a washer. Another one of those carabiner things. That's an interesting one. Too bad we can't find the whole bottle there. A lot of fence staples. Oh, there's a bent one of those round green things, little washers. Well, I got a bucket of assorted odds and ends. Wow. It's a nice square nail. Well, to some of you that are watching from the other side of the hill, aka Mount Hood, hello. And that is my finds for today from next to this old building. So we'll see if there's anything else that turns up after it rains or we get snow, whatever. Or I may go metal detecting next. Who knows? See you next time.